Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own hair rinse conditioner using some simple ingredients. You will need 519 grams of water, 18 grams of soft EQ65, 26.40 grams of cetyl alcohol, 12 grams of glycerin, 3 grams of infused rosemary oil, and 3 grams of infused funegreek oil. Then at the end of this recipe, we are going to add in 2 grams of lavender essential oil and 4.80 grams of preservative. Don't worry, I will have all these ingredients listed in the description box below. The first step is to pour your 519 grams of water into a heat-proof mixing bowl. Make sure the water is at room temperature, as hot water can degrade some of our ingredients. Next, we will add 26.40 grams of cetyl alcohol. This ingredient will help to thicken our conditioner and give it a nice texture. Now, let's add 3 grams of each infused rosemary and funegreek oil. These oils are known for their hair strengthening properties and will also help to combat dandruff and promote hair growth. Our next ingredient is 12 grams of glycerin. Glycerin is a natural humectant, meaning it will attract moisture to your hair and keep it hydrated. Now we are going to add 18 grams of soft EQ65. This ingredient is a natural hair conditioner that will help to leave your hair feeling soft and manageable. I'm using microwave, but you can use a stove to melt your ingredients. Lastly, we will add the preservative and perfume at the temperature of about 40 degrees Celsius. This will not only give our conditioner a lovely scent, but it also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help soothe an itchy scalp. And there you have it, our homemade hair rinse conditioner using all natural and organic ingredients. Now, just pour your conditioner into a bottle and use it as a final rinse after shampooing your hair.